Mama packed swimsuits, towels, and snacks. Papa Daddy said, "Let's stay safe and have fun." Samir and Aayan jumped with joy. "We're going to the water park today." Water sprayed everywhere. Samir shouted, "It's raining from the ground." Aayan zoomed down a gentle slide. "Whee!" he laughed, splashing at the end. Samir climbed to the top. "Ready, set, go!" he cheered as he slid down. Baby Minaal sat under an umbrella with Mama. She watched the water sparkle and kicked her feet. A big bucket tipped over. Whoosh! Papa Daddy and the boys got soaked. They floated gently in a round tube. "Look, we're sailing like boats," said Aayan. Samir and Aayan squirted water at Papa Daddy. He pretended to run. "Oh no, I'm all wet." They munched on fruits and drank juice. "Water play makes us so hungry," said Samir. They held hands as the water moved like waves. "This feels like the ocean," said Mama. Towels, warm clothes, and sandals on. Baby Minaal yawned. She was ready to nap. That night, Samir whispered, "I was a water hero today." And Aayan said, "Me too." Splish, splash.